I turned this picture into this, and this, and this, using a free AI tool. For this, we'll go to Google Gemini AI. Here, you'll see this interference. Click the Add Files button and upload your own image. As I have already downloaded a random photo, I'll upload that photo. Once the photo is uploaded, just copy the prompt and paste it. Don't worry, all the prompts are in the description. After pasting the prompt, hit Enter. Here, you can see the photo has been generated. Simply click the Download button. There are different styles in the prompt. You can simply check it yourself and turn your image into whatever photo you want. Just upload your photo and paste the prompt and wait. If you open the link, these are some of the images that you can make. Open the link and choose any prompt that you like. Upload your photo, go to the link, copy any prompt, and paste it in the Google Gemini. That's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Follow for more such content.